Welcome to our final lesson in this unit on measures of central tendency. This is lesson 5. So now let's try putting it all together, this time using a table. The table below shows the lowest daily temperature in Anchorage, Alaska during a 5-day period. Use the table to answer questions number 1 through 4. So this table is the lowest daily temperatures on a certain week. We can see the day, it's Monday through Friday, and the temperatures are in Fahrenheit. And you may have noticed that this set of data is a little bit different than what we've experienced before. There are negative numbers that are included. So when we go to place them in order, that's going to be a little bit different. We're going to have to remember that the higher the number looks on the negative side, it's actually lower. The furthest away it is from 0, the lower it is. So they're asking us to find the median of the data. Then they want us to show the work and write our answer here. If you need to at any point, you can go back and review some of the other lessons we've done, but just to remind you, the median is talking about the middle. So median of the road is the middle of the road. So we're going to have to put this data in order from least to greatest. And I'm noticing that there's 3 negative numbers. So negative 18 would be considered the lowest number, furthest from 0. Negative 16 would be next, followed by negative 10. And then on the positive side, we have 14. And then 25. So we've accounted for all 5 numbers. So now we need to find the middle number. And if you recall closing the curtain, we're going to cross off the first number from the beginning and the first number from the end, second number from the beginning, second number from the end. And so the middle number is negative 10, therefore the median is negative 10. Now let's look at the next question. It asks us to find the mode. The mode is the number that we see the most. Mode and most. You notice that this one doesn't ask us to show our work, and that's because we already have shown our work. Up here we put it in order. So we're looking for a number that we see the most. And as it turns out, we do not see any number more frequently than the rest, so in this case there is no mode. Next, we're asked to find the mean. And the mean is the average. It asks us to show our work. So we need to add all of these numbers together. So if you recall, when we find the mean, we need to have a sum, and we need to divide it by the number, and I'm just going to use a hashtag to represent that, of data items. So we can see that we have 5 data items, but we have to find the sum, which means we add it together. And we can either use it in order that we put it, or we can go ahead and use it from the table. After we complete that calculation, we get 43, which means if we started at 25 and went all the way down to negative 18 on the number line, it would be a difference of 43 units. So the temperature difference between the lowest and the highest is 43 degrees. What I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to complete the last page on your own. You can complete it on a separate sheet of paper. It's again on page 2, so I'll move that over so you can see that. So I'd like you to, on this time, to complete this. Let's see what it's about. It says the following table shows the first 5 deposits, that's how much money we put in the bank, and withdrawals, that means how much money we take out of a bank, in Shauna's account. It asks to find the median, mode, median, and range of this table. And this time they gave us a horizontal table. So we have the deposits and withdrawals. There's 5 of them, and the dollar amount each time. So if you would complete on a separate sheet of paper the following, again, let me move this so you can see it. Thank you. And then when you're done completing this, you can move forward and take the quiz. All of these questions will also have that set of data for you when you take the quiz. Thank you for completing this unit, and we'll see you later.